Hey Britt, I'm just shooting from the hip here, but I'm going to show you how to set up a technical audit for me. First, I need you to download Screaming Frog. I will email you the license and everything, and I'm going to email you some websites. But this is essentially what you got to do. Oh, that's weird. How am I supposed to do that? One moment. Okay, so I got that straightened out. We're going to use Hoffman's Nursery. We're going to I also have to give you some access to things, which I'll do, but essentially before you get started, you're going to go to configuration. Once you get the license key, go here, enter in the license key, do all that. Then when you're about to run a scan, you go to API access, click on page speed insights, follow this process here to get the API key. It's pretty simple. I suppose I'll just copy and paste that too, but get a key. Okay, I paused it so you didn't have to watch all that. Copy it, go back to Screaming Frog, enter it in, leave all the metrics, click connect. Okay, I paused it. Go back to configuration, API, we're going to go Ahrefs. I already have it in there. I'll send it to you. Connect. Okay. I gotta go back, get that URL. Want the mode on Spider, not list. So we're doing technical audit, we're going to want to do Spider mode. And then start. And what this will do is crawl this entire site and give me a whole bunch of recommendations over here. It'll split it up into issues, warnings, and opportunities. And what I want you to do is just focus on the issues and the warnings. Once it's done, this export button here will pop up. You'll go to issues, export them all, and I'll show you how to set that up. I'm going to pause the video until this is done. Okay, so it's done. This is how it tends to work. I create a dashboard, and then from that dashboard, I link to different tabs in an Excel sheet, a worksheet, or a Google sheet. And so what I'm going to do is create the dashboard. You don't have to name this if you don't want, but we're going to say issues. Let's open this up in Google Sheets. Save and open. Okay, it opened on its own, and this is what it came up with. Great. Let's do. What's the client name? What is this? Hoffman Nursery. Technical SEO Plan 092023. I like this naming schema up there. Client, deliverable, month and year. So the date. Okay, so we got the issues. Let's go warnings, export. Great. Open, save and open. Okay, so it did the same thing. I'm gonna grab these warnings, copy them, bring it over here, and I'm gonna, just format things from there. Let's get this whole, let's wrap the text. But also, we're going to shrink these to a good size. There we go. Let's do that. Okay, that's all I need to set this up initially. Once that's done, so this is all I'm going to need you to do for now, but in the future, this is what we'll do. We'll create a sheet and we'll say response codes. We're just going to link each of these things, right? So grab this URL. Or actually, I don't have to do that. I just insert link. Boom, links to it. I'll just keep doing that all the way down. Insert link. And then I just need you to fill out each one of those tabs. So you're going to go back to, so do these all the way down. Then, Screaming Frog, you're going to go to the issue here and export that issue. It's right here. So over here exports the highlighted, the summary. This exports all the codes within this error. So export this. Save it open. What the heck is my, there it is. Let me trash this. I'm going to copy this. There are other ways to do this too. One way to do this is just download everything, and then you just can upload stuff. Copying and pasting is easier, I think. It means you have to do quite a bit more moving around, but you don't have to download anything and then upload. I'll show you how to download. So let's go to the next one. Canonical's missing. That's not great. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. Next one is security HTTP URLs. So the benefit of just downloading them is you can just go through each one of these, name them properly, or just leave it as it is. Excel workbook or CSV, whatever you want to do. Save it, and then just go down to the next one, export, next one, export. And then all you got to do is go to the respective tab, import, upload, did it not? try this again. Security HTTP URLs. These are, oh, that's why. Or browse where, once you do this, you tell it where you want the things, it'll fix it. So now I want them to save them to downloads. Great. Security HTTP URLs. Import. Upload. Don't create a new spreadsheet, just insert a new sheet. It should say replace current sheet, but for whatever reason it doesn't, when it would be nice for it to do that. So now this one that I originally wanted in is empty. So maybe there's another way to do this, but you can see why copying and pasting is just easier. So maybe a better idea, instead of so if you're going to copy and paste, you can go through this and create all these tabs ahead of time. If you're not going to, if you want to download them, then you're going to have to do one thing at a time, or one tab at a time. Import, and then what it will do is create a new one from there, and then you just rename that new one, and then you will have to move over the old sheet. Let me just show you. Import, upload, browse, security HTTP, insert new sheet. So you'll always have this. All you got to do is rename this, new title, move this over, and just keep using that. So import, next one, so on and so forth. So however you want to do it, copy, paste, or download and upload, that's how you do it. But essentially, I just need you to create this dashboard and then have every single one of these bad boys, the issue names, link to the tab, and then have each tab have all the appropriate data in it from the scan. Okay, thanks.